Hello, in this video we'll learn how to find the percentage of a number and also how to express one quantity as a percentage of the other. So let's start with this one. Now we have 10% of 80. This is something as 10 over 100 times 80. Okay, this we cancel this we cancel this, so we have 8. All right, then for the second one, 20% of 750 is something as 20 over 100 times 750. Okay, 0, we cancel this we cancel this, and we have 150. Right, so now for the second part, this is expressing one quantity as a percentage of the other. Right, so this one says express 1 hour 30 minutes as a percentage of 3 hours. Okay, so this is something as 1 hour 30 minutes, okay, divided by 3 hours, okay, times 100 over 1. This is something as now 60 1 hour converted to 60 minutes to minutes is 60 minutes. Okay, this becomes 90 minutes, okay, over 180 minutes, right, times 100 over 1. So this we cancel this, 9 here 1, 9 here 2, so this becomes 100 over 2 is 50%. Yeah, 50%. Okay, for the next one, we have this. We are asked to express 450 grams as a percentage of 1 kg. This is something as 450 gram over, now 1 kg is something as 1000 gram, and times 100 over 1. So this we cancel this we cancel this, and that is 45%. All right, then for this third one, they say a boy scored 25% out of 150 in a test. What is his percentage score? So this is 25 over 150 times 100 over 1, right? So this 0 cancel this 0. Can do 5 here is 5 here is 3, so this is 5 times 10 is 50 over 3, and this is 16, because 3 into 5 is 1 into 20, sorry, yeah, into 3 into 5 is 1, then into 20 is 6, okay, remainder 2, so this is 16 wholes to third percent. Then number 4, a boy scored 60% in a math test. If the total mark is 180, how many marks did he score? So he scored 60% of the total marks, right? So that is 60 over 100 times 180. This. So 18 multiplied by 6 times 8 is 48. 8 transfer 4 to this side is times 16, plus this is 108. Okay, so he scored 108. Yeah, he scored 108 marks. Okay, for number 5, we are told that a man lost A man lost $20 out of his $400. What percentage has he left? Okay, you know that he lost $20, right? So if he lost $20, then the remaining money will be 380, right? So the percentage of money left will be 380 over 400 times 100 over 1. Okay, so this will cancel this. We are now left with 380 divided by 4. So we can cancel using 4 here, 1. Okay, 4 into 38 is 9 because 4 times 9 is 36. So remainder 2, put the 2 here, then 4 into 20 is 5. So 95% of his money is left. Then number 6, a boy attempted 400 questions in an examination. If he failed 25%, how many questions did he get right? So failed, okay, 25%, right? Then which means the one he passed would be 75%, because in total the pass plus fail will give us 100%. Okay, so since the question is asking how many questions he got right, then we use this to find it, and this becomes 75 over 100 times 400. Okay, so this 1 to cancel this one, so 75 times 4 is 300. So he got 300 questions right. Okay, thanks for watching this video. Please don't hesitate to subscribe to this channel and like this video, and I hope you learned something from this lesson. Thank you.